Ninja Turtle.
She's a
bad thing, fine as hell, think it's full. Oh my god.
So right now we're on a garage sale, yard sale or whatever, and we're buying a bunch of shiz. So we just bought a TV that we're gonna smash. Then we needed something to go along with it, so we bought this, a giant hammer with a Batman symbol.
Hey, with a man.
What's up? The Yard Dogs are back, and today we're smashing a bunch of stuff with a hammer. Here we go. You know what? I don't think this is gonna cut it. Here. Oh, but this maybe might do the job. Ooh. Okay, so that was just a test. Today we bought this giant big sledgehammer with a little Batman thing. It's like 30 pounds. So now,
smash the board. Show them what it's got.
Ooh, yeah, it's like super heavy. You can smash anything, including your dreams. So like and subscribe right now. Okay, put the board down. As you saw in our Antelope Island video, we did an axe versus axe. But today, we have a sledgehammer. So, it's sledgehammer versus axe. Come on.
Do it sideways.
Okay,
okay, man.
It's not over yet. I got one more chance. What is wrong with this? Okay, here we go. The big slam of jam. Oh! Okay, now little Brett is gonna smash this little toy car. You got this, buddy.
Broom. Here, no, just keep it in.
Its bumper is gone.
Okay, good.
Man, you're a terrible aim.
I'm hitting it, it's just...
Carrot's always right.
What?
Well, move on to the next one. Well, it's gone. No. Look what you did to the board.
Oh, God. Sorry, guys. Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
Okay.
Oh, what a strong man. Well, that was interesting. Wasn't it? Okay, so now Nick is smashing this IBC root beer, testing his luck. So I'm just gonna back away, so the only footage you're gonna see is this slow-mo, so have fun. It's like sand.
Yeah,
He just turned it into sand.
Wait.
What the freak? Look at the IBC logo.
There it is. We're going with some bigger glass. This big root beer mug. Good luck, buddy. Go yet. Go yet.
Whoa.
You okay, buddy?
Yes, I am.
See how that turned out.
Slow-mo.
Whoa.
That wasn't slow-mo.
Are you kidding me,
No,
Nick?
I'm just kidding.
I was about to punch you.
Yo, look. Like giant big blocks of glass. That's pretty
Look how
interesting.
thick it is.
Let's check
Next
out.
up, we got SpaghettiOs.
This is
See
gonna
what
be
you got.
fun.
This is gonna be...
Spaghetti-tastic. What are you doing? Don't back up.
Yes, it's gonna explode everywhere.
No, it won't.
I can see it from here. I can see it from here.
Awesome. Ready?
Do it sideways. Try it sideways. Try it sideways. I'm right here. Just go, bro. Oh.
It's on my shoe! Get it off!
Dude, I love spaghetti.
It's on my shoe! Get it off!
Dude, I love spaghettios. Pick me up.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'm just gonna sit here and watch my Ninja Turtles. You know what? I hate this movie. I hate it. I hate Ninja Turtles. Sorry, Ninja Turtles. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry, Ninja Turtles.
It looks like
Here, let's see if it'll open.
Well, now we know what's inside a
Where's the
TV.
eject button? Where's the eject?
Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that as well as we did, but right when I smacked that TV, it sounded like a bomb went off. I hate Ninja Turtles! So now we're gonna try and make videos every week.
Yep.
So
And
they'll
guess
come
what?
out sooner.
The person that won the fidget spinner giveaway was
yeah.
Eli Etley. Ow!
Congrats, bro.
Shout out.
I hate it. I hate Ninja Turtles.